Hi, welcome to XPPen 6 Weeks Animator Incubation. In the 1930s, Walt, when he asked for corrections, he was always looking for what he called realism. And when animators delivered something realistic, he would say that it was not good because he wanted cartoons, not realism. For realism, you got movies, and they were doing animation. So when they did something exaggerated, Walt will tell them, it's too cartoony, make it real. So where was the balance? When they did something real, he asked for exaggeration. But when they delivered exaggerated animations, he asked for something real. So this is what they figured out. You have to keep the animation as real as possible, but you have to exaggerate it at the same time. I'm talking about a balance here. And this was the key. Walt didn't mean realism. He meant believable. They have to be, the characters, they have to be ruled by the laws of physics. So before talking about exaggeration, let's first understand the concept of believable. Here's a common mistake I see in most animations done by beginners. They take any character and make it walk from side to side using motion clips. Yeah, it's easy. But this is wrong. The character is sliding. Oh yeah, you could say, hey, it's not real life, it's a cartoon. Anything goes. I'm just exaggerating the walk. No, it's not believable. The background and the character are not interacting properly. So if you want to exaggerate your work to make it look cartoony, this is the wrong way. The correct way to do this is to have the character walk properly. Now, she's walking the correct way. Each step is taken in the firm ground. So this has bad physics. Look at how she's sliding in concrete. And this one has good physics because she's stepping correctly in concrete. She's not sliding. That's what Walt meant by being realistic, having the characters ruled by the laws of physics. Okay, now that we understand believable, let's talk about exaggeration. By exaggeration, Walt meant that if you have an angry character, making angrier, a happy character, happier. Let's take this example. We can have a character that looks evil. Well, we could take the nose and make it bigger, right? That's exaggerating. Yeah. Well, this is the wrong way of exaggerating. To do it correctly, you have to find the quality of the character and exaggerate it. Is it the big nose? Nope. It's the evilness of your character. Look, this is an evil character, and this is a really evil character. You're not exaggerating the nose. No. You are exaggerating the evilness. That's good exaggeration. Good exaggeration focuses on personality of the character and the emotion. Maybe the character doesn't need the nose to be bigger. Maybe to exaggerate the evilness, maybe you can make it pointy. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. In the next one, we will cover some exercises to practice exaggeration. See you there.